Whether you're buying them cooked or whether you're serving them chilled with different sauces, prawns are an essential part of summer entertaining, and it just wouldn't be an Aussie Christmas without them on the table. I'm going to show you exactly how to peel them. Now, at Coles we've got beautiful black tiger prawns, we've got king prawns, we've got banana prawns, but they're all the same when it comes to peeling them if you're going to cook them on the barbie. In fact, I've got this incredible little reversible teppanyaki plate that you can actually use inside. So I'm going to stick mine on the heat now. It's very, very simple. All you do is you just twist the top off. Then along here, you can just go ahead and separate the shell from the prawn. I always leave the tail intact because I think it gives it that perfect little handle. Make a tiny incision just along one side of the back of the prawn, and then you literally just reveal that vein, and then you just pinch it and pull it straight out. And then this is literally ready to go straight on the barbie. One other way to do it, you could of course throw that whole prawn onto the barbecue, and that would be delicious. Another option is you get yourself a sharp knife, you put that knife right there on the center, you can see how I'm doing that, and then just cut all the way through the shell. So you're just splitting the prawn in half. Go back in the other direction, and then when you get to the head, you're gonna have to hold it from both sides, and you just push that knife straight on through. Check for a vein. If there's some deveining that needs to happen, go ahead and do it. What's the advantage of cooking in the shell? Well, there are natural oils in the shell of the prawn that will give lovely flavor. All right, let me show you how we marinate these. This is my barbecue marinade box. I've actually already thrown these beautiful prawns in a little bit of olive oil, some garlic and some parsley, but you choose the spices, you choose the flavors, and then when you're ready to throw them on the barbie, you just lift it up and you let any of that excess oil drain off, and then we take that over to our teppanyaki plate. I'm gonna just pick these guys up and stick them straight over here. I'm gonna take a couple of lemons, plant those straight onto the grill, and that will caramelize the lemon ever so slightly. The only thing that you can really do wrong with prawns is overcook them. So as soon as they start to just get that little pink color and they start to just curl ever so slightly, you gotta turn them. I add just a little seasoning and a little squeeze of lemon, turn it off. Even though they're not quite finished cooking, you can literally pick up that teppanyaki plate, bring it all the way through to where you're serving dinner, drop it down, and let people go for it. You can serve them with rice, you can serve them with a salad, but this is just one way to do them. I also want to show you how you can serve them chilled with a variety of sauces. I can't think of many better ways to start a meal than a beautiful platter of prawns on ice. This is a classic cocktail sauce. This is a chipotle cocktail sauce, so really spicy. And this is a gazpacho dipping sauce. All of them are fabulous, and I'm going to show you how to make them. A classic cocktail sauce. Tomato sauce, a little bit of hot sauce, garlic, horseradish, and lemon juice. If you want it to be creamier, add some mayonnaise. That looks pretty perfect to me. This is a chipotle cocktail sauce. Throw all of your tomato sauce into a large bowl. You can use lemon or lime juice. I'm using lemon, some garlic, chipotle, and lime zest. It really is just that simple. For the gazpacho, I have all my ingredients laid out here. You've got tomatoes, capsicum, some dried breadcrumbs, some chili, some shallots, garlic, olive oil, lemon juice, a little lemon zest. You throw the whole lot into one of these, and bzz, 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 you have a gazpacho sauce. And that is the one that I think I'm gonna sample. Now, when it comes to storing them, when you buy the prawns, they'll last up to 3 days. Just keep them in an airtight container in the refrigerator or over ice. The same with the sauces that I'm making. They'll all last for at least 3 days. Now, for the full recipes and the tips, look below, but if you want more inspiration, keep on watching. Merry Christmas, everyone.